Welcome back to the Locus Home Therapy Program educational series. Today we'll explore practical ways you can help your child aged 6 to 8 years become more independent and confident when taking part in classroom learning and everyday school activities. By this stage, many children are beginning to manage simple school routines, but may still need support with handwriting, following instructions, staying focused, or completing small pieces of work. Our goal is to help them participate with growing confidence while gradually reducing the amount of support they need. Let's begin with short handwriting and worksheet activities. Instead of expecting your child to complete a full page of work, focus on one small section at a time. You might ask them to complete just 3 questions or 1 line of writing before taking a short movement break. Breaking larger tasks into smaller, achievable steps helps children experience success without becoming overwhelmed. Another important area is how children sit while they're learning. A comfortable sitting position can make a big difference to attention and handwriting. Make sure their feet are supported, the table is the right height, and there are as few distractions as possible. Simple reminders such as feet on the floor, tummy to the table, can help your child develop good posture during learning activities. Visual supports are another excellent way to build independence. Rather than giving several instructions at once, use simple picture cards or short checklists that show what to do first, next, and last. As each step is completed, your child can tick it off or move a marker along the sequence. This makes tasks feel clearer and reduces the pressure of remembering everything at once. Finally, help your child become a problem solver. If something was difficult at school, wait until everyone is calm before talking about it. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, ask questions like, "What made that difficult?" Or, "What could we try differently next time?" Working together to find one simple solution teaches children that challenges can be solved one step at a time and helps build confidence for future situations. As children become more involved in finding their own strategies, they begin to rely less on adult prompts and become more independent learners. Remember, success isn't measured by completing every worksheet perfectly. Success is when your child joins in, keeps trying, and feels more confident each time they take part. Small, consistent practice during everyday routines can make a lasting difference. Return to the Locus Therapy app to continue your child's personalized program. We'll see you in the next Locus Home Therapy program.